Good morning everyone. My name is NIDHI NAIK. I am studying first year Computer Science and Business System in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Vadachil, Mangalore. My startup company name is Tech Trend Innovation and the product present name is Pencil and the product proposed name is Chroma Scribe UV Rechargeable Pencil. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, rechargeable pencil. Second one, multicolor LED. And third one, UV sterilization. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Pencil and the futuristic product name is Chroma Scribe UV Rechargeable Pencil. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, digital time and date. Second one, it consists sensor. And third one, location tracker. Fourth one is LED light and fifth one is automatically converted into pen. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request to the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.